How to install Google Drive on Windows 11. It's very easy actually. We can just go to Brave. So if you have it bookmarked like me, you can do that, or you can just type in drive.google.com. So here you can see an icon has appeared. So it says install Google Drive. So if I click on that, you can just click on install app. And here you can see Google Drive has now somehow opened into a new tab is what it appears. Well, yes, it is actually operating through Brave itself, even though on the taskbar it shows that it is in fact Google Drive. So every time you click on Google Drive now, it is just going to take you to Google Drive homepage through the browser. So it is actually doing the typing for you, which is drive.google.com. That is what is happening in the background. But what if you want to download the actual app? For that, I can just type in download Google Drive, Drive for Windows. Hit enter. So you want to scroll down and go to Google Help, use Google Drive for desktop. Click on that. And if you scroll down here, you can see install and set up Google Drive for Windows. If I click on that, we have an option to download for Windows. Just click on that as well. It's kind of unpopular, I think, because not many people install it directly without the setup. But this is going to be a .exe file that we are actually saving to downloads. So let's hit save. Guys, before we proceed with the video, do make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. So now that it has downloaded, it's almost done. We'll wait for a few seconds. And here you can see Google Drive setup has been downloaded. In fact, it is an exe file, so it is going to be a proper application for Windows and not something that we have downloaded off the browser. If you're not an admin user, you will have to put in your admin password. Just do that as well. And here now you can see we have installed Google Drive. It's asking for your permission. If you want, you can add the application shortcut to the desktop, and you can also add desktop shortcuts for Google Drive and Google Sheets. Let's hit install. It says installing. We are going to wait for this bar to completely come to the end. And here you can see it almost immediately it is saying that Google Drive is successfully installed. Let's just hit launch. And now it says welcome to Google Drive. Let's just click on get started, sign in. To sign in, it is going to take you to your browser. Let's choose an account to sign in. So here you can see we have successfully signed into Google Drive. So here it is now going to give you a quick tutorial. You can just click on next. I'm just going to skip it for now. Got it. And basically now we are into Google Drive. Let's skip that as well. Open Drive. So how do I access my Google Drive now? Well, you can just go to File Explorer, and like OneDrive, you should be able to find Google Drive over here as well. So if I go click on Google Drive, here you can see I have two options, My Drive. So this is all the data on my Google Drive as well as shared files. So it won't actually open up any web page or anything like that, which we were able to do in the previous version of Google Drive, if you remember. So this basically works like OneDrive. So if I have OneDrive open as well, you can see OneDrive over here too. So that is how you do it. So with this version of Google Drive, we don't actually have an app as such. We just have to access it through File Explorer. So anything that has to happen through here. If not, we can just go to the browser and access Google Drive. So hopefully you've liked the video, found it helpful. If you have, do drop a like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.